Today we're diving deep into 9 natural oils that may help reverse erectile dysfunction, especially in aging men. Some of them are probably already sitting in your kitchen. But first, a crucial disclaimer. These oils are not magic bullets, but when paired with clean eating, regular movement, quality sleep, and stress control, they can unlock what pharmaceuticals often suppress: the body's natural ability to repair and regenerate. Let's begin. 1. Pumpkin seed oil, the testosterone tonic. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in zinc, a mineral critical for testosterone production and prostate health. It also contains phytosterols, which help reduce inflammation and regulate hormones. Many men report improved energy, deeper sleep, and enhanced libido within weeks of adding 1 tablespoon daily to their meals. Stoic insight: a man cannot govern a kingdom if he cannot govern himself. Begin with your biology. 2. Olive oil, the liquid gold of circulation. Olive oil has long been revered in Mediterranean cultures, not just for heart health but for male vitality. It enhances nitric oxide production, the very molecule that dilates blood vessels and allows blood to flow into the penis during arousal. It also reduces arterial stiffness and oxidative stress, 2 silent killers of performance. One study found that men who consumed more olive oil and exercised moderately had a 40% lower risk of ED. Tip: use cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil in salads or drizzle over vegetables after cooking. Heat destroys its active compounds. 3. Coconut oil, the hormonal balancer. Coconut oil is a surprise hero. It improves cholesterol ratios, supports weight loss, and most importantly for men, it supports healthy testosterone levels. It's a saturated fat, which is crucial for hormone production, despite decades of misinformation vilifying fats. Coconut oil also contains lauric acid, a compound that kills harmful pathogens and reduces inflammation, another silent contributor to ED. Add it to smoothies, coffee, or cook with it to replace toxic seed oils. 4. Argan oil, the vascular protector. Argan oil isn't just for hair and skin. Internally, it's packed with vitamin E and antioxidants that protect blood vessels from damage. Think of your circulatory system like a river. Argan oil helps clear the debris so blood can flow without resistance. It also contains squalene, a compound that supports cholesterol balance and hormone regulation. Use it raw. Add it to salad dressings or take a teaspoon daily on an empty stomach. 5. Ginger oil, the fire starter. Ginger has been used for centuries as an aphrodisiac, and for good reason. Ginger oil increases circulation, stimulates the nervous system, and reduces stress hormones like cortisol. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, making it effective against arterial damage, metabolic syndrome, and hormonal imbalance. Use diluted ginger essential oil for massage or add ginger-infused oil to warm drinks. Stoic insight: fire tests gold, adversity tests men. Reignite the fire, don't fear the flame. 6. Fish oil, the artery softener. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fish oil lowers triglycerides, reduces plaque buildup, and increases arterial elasticity. Vital for consistent blood flow. It also improves dopamine signaling, boosting mood, motivation, and desire. For men struggling with both mood and function, fish oil can be a foundational supplement. Choose high-quality mercury-free sources. Dosage: approximately 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams EPA/DHA daily. 7. Black seed oil, the hormonal healer. Black seed oil, Nigella sativa, is known in ancient texts as the cure for everything but death. It regulates blood sugar, boosts immune response, and reduces systemic inflammation. all common root causes of erectile dysfunction. It's also been shown to boost testosterone in men, especially those with metabolic syndrome or insulin resistance. Take 1 teaspoon daily, ideally before meals. Pair with honey for better absorption and libido support. 8. Clove oil, the stimulant of sensation. Clove oil isn't just a warming spice. It stimulates blood circulation, enhances nerve sensitivity, and contains eugenol, which has both antioxidant and pain-relieving properties. Historically, the scent alone was used to invoke passion and arousal. While it's powerful, clove oil is potent and should be diluted when applied topically. Try adding a few drops to carrier oil and massaging the lower back or inner thighs, areas connected to pelvic nerves. 9. Avocado oil, the cholesterol cleanser. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamin K for heart and vascular health. It reduces LDL cholesterol while boosting HDL, helping clear arteries and improve blood flow. It also supports adrenal health, crucial for hormone production and energy. Use it as a cooking oil or add to smoothies and salad dressings. Stoic reminder: he who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. Begin with the foods you choose daily. These oils are incredible tools, but here is the hard truth. You cannot out-supplement a broken lifestyle. No oil, herb, or pill will fix what stress, sugar, and sedentary habits destroy. If you truly want to restore your energy, performance, and sense of self, you must commit to a foundational shift. Move daily. Walking, stretching, lifting, light activity helps circulation and testosterone. Eat clean. Prioritize protein, fats, and vegetables. Avoid seed oils and processed carbs. Sleep deeply. Your testosterone regenerates while you rest. Reduce stress. Chronic cortisol is a libido killer. Connect. Don't isolate. Intimacy isn't just physical, it's emotional. Erectile dysfunction is not the end. It's a fork in the road. You can choose to ignore it, medicate it, or shame yourself. Or you can choose to reclaim the man you were meant to be, not just sexually, but fully. Because here's the paradox: it's in weakness that we discover where our true strength begins. The choice is yours.